Hello traders. This is a continuation of the discussion of Forex trading using Oracle EA. I haven't discussed it in a long time, and on this occasion I will review it. I have shared this expert advisor for free. Check the link in the description to download it. My Oracle EA trading starts from 1000 USD capital, and the daily take profit setting is 6 USD. The total profit earned to date is 971 USD. Drawdown 56%, estimated profit every month 19%, and an estimated daily profit of 0.57%. The total profit earned is 97.15%. These are the trading results that I started from February 12, 2023 until now in June 2023, or more or less around 5 months. You can see here the profit growth. Growth tends to stabilize up, and sometimes there are moments where expert advisors make losses. So on the growth chart it can also be seen that there is a decline in growth. And on June 23, 2023 the total profit earned reached 971 USD. The total trading transactions that occurred were 794 transactions in 5 months. Profit ratio 66%. The average trading duration is 1 hour more. The resulting profit factor is 2.49. The average profit earned is 106 pips, and the average loss is 166 pips. Looks unbalanced, but because this expert advisor uses the martingale mechanism, the end result of trading is still a profit. I only run on USD gold pairs only. For trading time we can see here. Most transactions are at 12 o'clock at night, and usually finishes at 2 p.m. If the target from a profit of 6 USD is met, this expert advisor will finish that day and will not open trading positions again until the next day. Trading history. We can see here that the lot size is open from 0.01. And if the position opened does not make a profit, the expert advisor will open it again the lot size of 0.01. And the next open trading position will increase in multiples of the lot size. You can pay attention to the details of the profits you get every month. Profit from February to this time in June. I'll switch to the MetaTrader 4 terminal to show you the presets I use. My preset is the default setting. Only the daily take profit setting is set to 6. With a capital of 1000 USD, I target the daily profit of 6 USD, and this video is the result of the trading. The drawdown that occurred was around 50% more, with the initial lot opened from 0.01 lot. The total profit earned is up to 97%. Okay, do you have experience trading Forex using Oracle EA? Is it profitable or is it a loss? Write your opinion in the comments column. Thanks for watching till the end.